how to replace a spool on a Ryobi ONE Line Trimmer. So here we have our line trimmer, and the first thing you want to do is remove the battery for safety reasons. Then what you want to do is flip your line trimmer over so we are at the base here, and you'll see this little button. This is the manual feed for the line. And what you want to look for is this little button here with the arrows on. There's two on the bottom, and you want to pinch both of them, and this will allow the cap to release. With them two pinched, you may need to use your other hand to release the cap fully. As you can see, the cap is now released, and you can finally pull that off like that. Now, I still have line in here. I'm just going to show you how to replace it. So what you need to do is, I'm surmising your spool is empty, is just get your fingers, pinch this spool here and pull it away from the string trimmer, and it will simply release without too much trouble. Now we want to get our new line, and you want to give yourself a little line to thread through the hole on the string trimmer. Then thread the spool onto the bar. Just push it down, making sure you don't trap the line underneath the spool. Now we've attached the spool onto the bar, we can reapply the cap, finding the slots what they come out of. Push the cap back on like that, and we'll have successfully replaced the spool on our Ryobi ONE Line Trimmer. If you found that video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, because it really helps the video out and me. But most of all, thanks so much for watching.